Hi everyone, so my name is Dishan Bing. So my normal matrix number is 292010. So I'm talking about the breakdowns of this company. We call it as D printing shops. So D printing shops is about the printing store. Actually, that locates in our Inasis, Yayasan Apokari in UUM, Sito Kedah. So this printing shops is founded in the year 2020, and the founder is by our Muhammad Amir bin Abdul Wabat. So for this deep printing shops is about sales the stationery is a compositions of a printing service providers and a stationery supplier which is the sales the product such as the paper amongst the others. So this is a dualities is the easily adapted by anyone including the casual user, students, worker professionals, and even by the small business. So for this printing shop is more about provide some of the printing service, which is about the digital printings and the specialized printings. So some of the examples for the digital printing is actually for the printing shops. It have providers has fast and efficient printing solutions for a small format printings included that's like the filters, poster cards, and inviter cards. So another examples for the specialized printing, such as the embossings, floor stampings, and laminatings for premium projects. Yeah, so another one's for the printing shops. They provide some sales stationery, which is about the official supply, such as the pen, marker pens, and A4 paper, etc. So for these printing shops, it's about the sole proprietorship, and totally they have four dedicated staff in the printing shop. So another one is about the owners. Yeah, so the critically is the owner is responsible for transactions, such as the treasury, deposit, bookkeepings, and package will be handled by personally by the owner. So another one's for the role in this printing shop. So actually one of the staff that in charge of the cashier's counter to provide the checkout process for the customer. So another one of the staff is about responsibly for a daily chores such as cleaning, shelvings, and restocking the storeroom. So another one of the two staff is more about customer service and assisting the customer to provide the printing service to ensure that all the customer is satisfied with every progress in the printing shops. Alright.
This diagram illustrates the flow of transactions within a point of sales (POS) system, highlighting its interaction with customers and the bank. POS system is the central system used to record transactions, accept payments, and issue receipts. Customer is the individual who made a purchase, while bank is the financial institution where deposits from transactions are made. The process begins with the customer making a purchase in the print shop and choosing a payment method such as touch and go e-wallet, now QR payment or cash, providing flexibility and convenience. The POS system records the transaction, processes the payment, and generates a receipt which is issued to the customer as the proof of purchase. For electronic payments, the funds are automatically transferred to the linked bank account, while cash payments are manually deposited later into the bank. This streamlined process demonstrates how the POS system efficiently integrates traditional and digital payment methods to facilitate seamless transactions and ensure accurate fund transfer to the bank.
Next, I will continue the part of logical data flow diagram. Logical DFD mainly focus on the system process. It illustrates how data flow in the system. Logical data flow diagram focus on what happened in a particular information flow, what information is being transmitted, what entity are receiving that info, what general process occur, and so on. The process described in a logical DFD are business activity. A logical DFD does not dive into the technical aspect of process or system. Non-technical employees should be able to understand this diagram. So through our observation, these are the logical data flow diagram of deep print shop. The flow chart outline a financial process involving 4 key steps. The first one is receiving payment. The second one is reconcile total cash received. The third one is prepare deposit, and the last one is record sales. First, customer make payment using cash, Touch and Go e-wallet, of DuitNow QR payment, and receipt is issued while the payment details are recorded in the sales record. Next, at the end of the day, the total cash and electronic payment are reconciled using an end of day report and terminal summary report, resulting in a validated reconciliation form. One reconciliation is complete, the cash is prepared for deposit, accompanied by a deposit slip and sent to the bank. Simultaneously, finalized sales and inventory record are updated in the sales journal with all documents, including validated reports, reconciliation forms, and deposit slip, filled for proper record keeping. This process ensures accurate financial control, proper cash handling, and a clear audit trail.
Alright, my name is Jia Yingxuan, metric number 292085. Now I'm going to explain about the document or system flowchart for the print shop. The first entity is customer. Customer will make a transaction when they buy goods at the print shop and make payments using different kinds of methods. As we can see in the flow chart, there are three documents included in the payment method, which are DuitNow QR payment, Touch and Go e-wallet, and cash. The cashier will determine the price of printing outcome as well as scan the barcode on stationery items and key into the point of system, which is POS, where all the transactions will be automatically saved. After customer then make payment, the cashier will provide a copy of receipt to the customer. The second column is about sales entity. It started with the cash register where all the transactions have been recorded. From the cash register, we will be going to have four documents output. The first one is cash, where all the physical transactions will be deposited in the counter safe box. The second document is about cash count, where the cashier will calculate all the cash amount that being kept in the counter safe box and record in the cash count sheet. For payment that used in cashless method, cashier will also print a copy of every transaction that had been done by the customer to be kept. At the end before the closing, the cashier will print out the terminal summary report and the end of report from system.
Hi, my name is Lim Jowen, entry number 292896. At computer operation after sales is processed at the cash register, the point of sales system will automatically update the sale and cash receipt journal and inventory record into data disk in computer. This real-time update is essential for accurate tracking the sales cash receipt and inventory level. The print shop have performed backup at the end of the day. This process ensures that all transactions recorded in the cash register are uploaded and reflect in the general ledger in SQL accounting software. Next, the treasury division of the cycle at this stage. The owner will receive some of the documents that sent from cashier such as cash count sheet, end of the day report, and terminal summary report. The cash count sheet, end of day report, and terminal summary report will become input document. Same manual process of reconsider the cash amount. Once reconciliation is complete, the input document will be validated and become output document. The reconciliation form will be generated and 2 copies of deposit slip will be prepared by owner for the cash that need to be deposited in the bank. The owner will bring together cash and first copy of the deposit slip to bank. Now, the validated cash amount is secret transferred to the bank. Lastly, all the remaining validated report, reconciliation form, and the second copy of deposit slip will be saved in the document file. That's all from us. Thank you.